And then you see the project. Do you want to import a project? No. You want to encapture, just leave it. Survey, classification, just leave it. Just click on the file. Then, please go to the folder where you have saved those 2 interviews. And select those 2 documents and just open it. Correct? And once you click on open, it will be there with you. And it's asking open. Yes. Yes, it's done. My 2 interview documents are there. My 2 interview documents are there. Alright? We haven't learned anything yet. We just downloaded the software. We uploaded these 2 interview responses. Interview responses, okay? You can use AI. You know what? These days you can definitely use AI for creating the responses. How? For example, you know what? How do I evaluate the assignments? Let me tell you. I open the assignment. And I am like an old school guy. I keep a notebook with me. Sometimes notebook and sometimes a Word document open with me. One document. Notepad or Word document. I just keep going through the assignment. If let's say if this is not your assignment, somebody else, because you did a Excel assignment, but you had a 1 report as well there. But let's say I'm just reading a 7 pages or 8 pages assignment. I'll keep going through that assignment. Whatever I'll be keep observing, I'll just keep writing it on the notepad. Simple keywords. I don't write sentences. Are you getting me? I don't write sentences. I just write keywords. Okay, this is lacking. Go through the observations. I take a note of all those observations. Because when we were doing it before, I was doing it. Even now, we will sometime I do it. Half of that like this. I do it. I write it. But whenever I write it, it takes a lot of time for me to write it down. So I just take the observations and then take the help to create the sentences. Now, why did I discuss this in this class? The reason is, whenever I'm taking an interview, it's not easy for me to just keep writing whatever the interviewer is saying. Right? You know what? We used to have the reporters where their writing speed was amazing. Right? Yeah. Their writing speed was like the moment they are saying it, they're just writing it. Now we don't have these kind of people anymore. We may have it, but we don't need it. Now they record it. Record the interview. They use the tools. And you know what? I believe there must be some tools that they're going to listen that you upload that document, the audio file, and then you can convert it into a text, correct? Audio to text. I believe it's there. Audio to text is there. And then, after this, if they have taken a note of those interview responses, so they will take somehow any tool and they will generalize these sentences for that. And this is how it should be done. So you need to learn that how to use the tools systematically that will help you, but tools won't do the whole work for you. This is something you need to understand. Everyone, now look at this. I'm on this Word file. So we'll be working on this. Initial coding. Read transcript. You need to read it. Double click each transcript to open it. Okay. Double click each transcript to open it. Double click on this and this will open. Correct? This will open in front of me. Now I'll go back to my Word file. It says highlight and code. First highlight that portion and then code. How to do it? Let me show you. But it says the atmosphere was lovely, very cozy and welcoming. I wanted to code the sentence as the ambience. Okay? I'm giving it as an ambience coding. It's basically a text mining, right? Now, I look for this atmosphere. The atmosphere was lovely, very cozy and welcoming. I'll highlight this, correct? It says highlight and then code. Then right click. Or you can even go to this code selection. You can even go to the code selection. But it says right click and then right click and code name ambience. Okay. Let's see if it's gonna work. But no. Is it working with the right click? I don't think it's gonna work. Okay. I won't do a right click. I'll do it other way. I'll go to the code selection. Code selection. And now codes. Okay, codes. I click. Okay, just keep listening. Just keep looking at this because it's something that you need to look at. The moment I click on this create new, this is going to open, and then right there start typing ambience. Correct? That's the code. That's the code. Is it there? Yes. Code selection to new code. Code selection to new code. Yes. It's done. It's done. It has created. The code has created. If you want to see code, code selection, we already have one ambience there. Can you see that? That the ambience code is there. Okay. Next. I'll just close it. Then, one more sentence. The pasta was overcooked and lacked flavor. They are saying code it as a food quality. Code it as a food quality. You know what you try to, I'm just giving you the insight that how do we categorize the questions into a different coding. Different codings you can say, it's a different factor. Food quality is one of the factor. Service is one of the factor. What was it? Ambience was one of the factor. Correct? So it says atmosphere was lovely and very cozy and welcoming. Where will it go? It will go to the ambience. Then we have a pasta was overcooked and lacked flavor. Where it will go? Ambience, no. It will go to the food quality. You can call it as anything. Food quality, any word that you wanted to give it to. Then we have they offered a complimentary dessert. Service recovery, because the pasta was not bad. How do you do that service recovery? Right? Okay. Then we're going to go to the next respondent. Okay, after this. So the way I made a code, can you do it? Let me show you just one more, and then we will do the remaining ones. Okay. Now, the pasta. Look for the pasta. Where is pasta? He was seated. Okay, I ordered the pasta. Okay, so I would say the pasta from the pasta special, but it was overcooked and lacked flavor. I'll highlight this. I'll go to the code selection. I will go to the create new, and there I would create food quality. Got it? You want to connect it to this code? Yes, it's done. Got it? Can we do the remaining? Please do it. Please do it. And I'm also doing it with you.
What if I make it run? Like I select the even more part of the.
Then if you would have any words like this in the other transcript, then it will be going into this. For example, ordered one. So if there would be any order, then it would be counted there.
Yeah, for example, on the first
No,
one.
no. Just start from the pasta. Because if you would see, you're saying what if I will select more words?
Yeah, right here. I just selected too much.
No, you cannot do this.
No. My mistake.
No, I'm telling you, why you cannot do this.
Okay.
It means you are mixing your analysis. One way you are saying it's the ambience,
Yeah.
and at the same time you are saying it as a food quality. So the research will get mixed up.
Yeah, no, I understand. I just make a mistake. So how I delete it?
Delete it, you can. I'll show you. You will see that quotes there. Yeah. This one.
Just
click on right click, delete it.
All right.
It's deleted. No, it won't be deleted. But yeah, it's deleted.
Yeah, it was.
Okay? Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Oh. See. Next one, I am also working on the other one. They offered a complimentary dessert. Okay, where it is? Offered as a complimentary dessert as an apology. I'll just select this. Okay, I'll just select from they. They even offered as an apology. You can select as an apology because that's the service recovery. Or if you want till the dessert, that's fine. Okay. What if I just right click because it says right click? Code selection, yeah, you can go to the code selection. Create new service recovery. Got it? Now just link it. Okay? We did it for this one. Now we're gonna go to the next transcript. Okay. I'll just close this, or I can even open the other one. Even if this would remain open. Even if this would remain open, I can open the other one. The other one is opening up. Now, I did it for the first document, first response. Please do it for the second response.
Sir, can you show me how to do the deleted work, please?
The coding? Now, it says that atmosphere. Can you just have a small size for this? First of all, the atmosphere was very cozy and welcoming. Okay, just select this till this. Either you right click or you click on this. It
For
doesn't matter.
deleting?
For deleting, I should tell you. Click here. Oh, you already had this.
Yeah, I'm asking about deleting.
Okay, deleting is okay. Go to the quotes. It's not showing. It's not Which one? No. Code selection will not be active until you highlight the text. It only pops up, it only gets active once you highlight the text. Yes. Okay, I'm going to work on the second one after this. Website was user friendly, website usability. Okay. Website was user friendly. Okay, so I'm working on the second responses. The website was user friendly. So this is going to code as website. Okay, if you just don't want it to type, you can even just copy from here. Okay, now I will go to the code selection. I would say, okay. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Website usability. Got it? It's done. Next is, I have the return policy wasn't clearly explained. So return process issue. So return process issue is the name of my code. I'll copy this, and the return policy wasn't clearly explained. The return policy, where is the return policy? Yeah. Who's this?
Jacqueline.
At this time you're coming in my class?
Yes, I was stuck in the traffic. I told Level to tell the
Yeah, but he didn't. I couldn't interrupt the class
told
like
her.
that.
I was stuck in the traffic. There was a collision between the Hamilton and Berlin.
Under service, add staff attentiveness and problem resolution. Okay. For this, you're gonna go to the
You have to download a application.
service sub-theme. Under service, add start. Okay, I'm gonna select this staff attentiveness and service. Did we create service before? Service recovery. It can go there. It can go under service recovery. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the codes, but it won't appear, right? So I need to just select something so that it would appear for me. And I'm gonna go to the service recovery. I'm gonna create a child code. Can you see that? Means it's a subcode, subcode. It's a subcode, but they call it as a child code. Okay. So once you click on the code, any of the code, can you create a code under this? Yes. So I'm gonna click on the service recovery, and then I'll click on the child code there, and it's under this. I already copied it. I pasted it there. It's there. Yes. But I'm not clicking on this. I'm not clicking on this. Why? Because I didn't select the right text there.
Okay, because I was wondering.
Yeah, got it? Okay. Now, after this, I have problem resolution. I'll click something, anything. Few weeks. I'll click code selection. Under service recovery. Okay. Another is problem resolution. Problem resolution. I'll click on the service recovery. Then again child code. I'll simply copy and paste it there. But I won't click on this. Why? Because I selected a wrong text. So I just don't want it to merge these. Correct? So yeah, just let it be like this and simply close it. Yeah. So I created child codes and codes there. Alright? Are we done? Yes. Please work till now. Till this. Then only we will move forward.